So, done the rear guard, as you can see. It didn't quite want to marry up exactly perfectly. That area there needed trimming. Just bring it back. This area here needed trimming. So I just did that with a Stanley knife. And then sort of getting all that manoeuvred around. It was large, it shrunk a little bit. We had quite large creases in the back here, just there. But we're just going to attempt to take the last little bits out using our heat gun, which is stopped working for us. There you go. So we're just going to apply a bit of heat onto here. Too much. And then we're going to just try and work that out. Work that out. Got that one.
What do you reckon in, say, about half hour?
So try and push. Just keep working them out.
Alright, well, I'll message you.
And massage. Massage is the word. Massage them out. And just about all gone. Gonskis. Still there. Just a little bit, but it beats cutting it and getting around. And just give it a bit of a run over. And then, whoops, I'll just move that. Just massage it down. Yeah. So that's about the best we're going to get done. We file them down.
Did you go?
That's not too bad, I got them right out. This is Stuart.
You got one there.
Yeah, but that's right on the bend, so the only way to get it would be to cut it. I don't want to go through all that. I can keep heating it, shrinking it.
Probably just do it once more.
Pardon?
Once more.
Yeah. Maybe just hit it once more. Bit more direct. A little bit down here, so just pull that tight like a tiger. Whoop, a bit too much there. Yep, that one's come out. Don't touch that one. I think that's about the best we're going to get.
That's really good. Yeah, that's the best.
We're not going to get much better.
That's the
than that.
hardest part of it anyway.
Yeah. So we got rid of those. Got that down. Now we move on to the fork legs. How exciting is that?